and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send follow-up emails to website form leads using Gmail. So here my objective is whenever I have received any new form submission through my website form, then automatically one follow-up mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account without doing any manual efforts. For that, I am going to connect my website form to my Pabbly Connect. Then I will integrate that to my Gmail account. Yes, and this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And the creation of this amazing automation is done in just 5 minutes. Yes, but before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before into my website. Here I am adding all the test details. Here I added. After that, I'm going to simply click on the submit now button. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received the mail or not. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name that I have shared while filling the form as test user and all the details. Here I have done this as a test example. You can create your email content completely based on your choice. Now, if you also want to do this type of automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is right over here is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any single line of code. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option and going to the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As I am creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. Here I am going to select the workflow builder as new beta. After that, I am providing the workflow name as send follow-up emails to website form leads in 5 minutes. After that, I have selected the folder as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see my workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. So here I am taking my trigger application as Webhook by Pabbly because I want to connect my website form to my Pabbly Connect. This is work like a bridge between my website form and my Pabbly Connect. After that, the app event I select as catch Webhook. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me one Webhook URL that I am going to copy from here. Now for connecting my Pabbly Connect to my website form, I am going to the code of my website form. So see, this is the code of my website form where I am going to paste the Webhook URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect here in this fetch field. At first, I am removing this Webhook URL. Now after that, I am going to simply save this form. Here I saved. Now I am opening this form into my browser. Here I opened. See, it is waiting for a Webhook response. Now for getting this Webhook response, I am again going to fill this form by entering some test details here. And this time I am providing the full name as dummy user. After that, I am going to click on the submit now button. Now we will check that we have received the response or not. I have received a new response 6 seconds ago, which includes all the details that I have shared while filling the form. After that, the setup of my trigger application is done. Now I am going to take my action application as Gmail because I want to send follow-up mails to my user's Gmail account. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. It will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that, I am going to click on the save button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Then in the next, I am going to write the sender name in this field. Here I write the sender name that as soon as I connect my Gmail account to my Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. You can also enable this toggle if you don't want to do the mapping manually, but you can also do the mapping if this toggle is enabled. After that, in this recipient email address, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is Webhook by Pabbly. Here I am mapping my user's Gmail account. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. Now, whenever my user will fill the form, then with the help of this mapping, automatically their Gmail address will come and the follow-up mail will be sent to their specific Gmail account. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email content in these fields. After that, I write this email content in the HTML type, so I am selecting the email content content type as HTML. Complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML content are also there. After that, the labels I select as inbox. Then in the next, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, if you want a simple response, then you can enable this toggle. After that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now we will check the Gmail account. I have received a new mail which includes my name as dummy user that I have mapped into my email content field and all the information. That means our automation is working perfectly. Now the creation of our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any single line of code. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.